I am Nova Prime Irani Real, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on. Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot-tarians. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited.
Wait, are you serious?
I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Never teleported Terrans before, but since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. Of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator's gone.
Clear your mind. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I am watching Terrans for dogs.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator, and he's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What?
There's King. Where's the King?
The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. You got this.
We're all toast.
First it was King, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. Because this plan of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? You still on it? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I want. Are you Terrence still there?
Yes.
Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket! Well, okay, I'm off onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Terrence, this is Centurion Merrick again. We're having a little bit of trouble with our ship's airlock, and it appears we need to open it manually. Oh, we got it! You're good to go! Let's do this!
Supposed to follow me. What is that noise?
Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
September again.
The Big Bang!
You remember? One is the side of September.
There it is.
Find the generator. On the way. Sing it.
I will destroy you.
It's about time. Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Ability! With your star blasters! We have them contained, but not for long.
My world would have been
It's Epcot.
It's not over.
Sure is. Stand for it. Every person comes out tired.
Remember dancing in September never was a cloudy day.
You're all heroes.
So, do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? But do you see how they're dressed?
It's just a figure of speech, Travis.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.